What's the meaning of authorization? Authorization. Authorization.
Authorization. Authorization. Authorization refers to the process of granting permission or access to perform a specific action or task. It involves verifying the identity of an individual or system requesting access and determining whether they have the necessary permissions to complete the requested action. Authorization is important for maintaining security and confidentiality in computer systems. Without proper authorization, unauthorized users or systems could access sensitive data, modify system settings, or perform other malicious actions. Therefore, it is essential to implement robust authorization mechanisms to ensure that only authorized personnel can access and use critical resources.